Mr. P, get it, that official Mr. P. Yeah, Mr. P, get it, that official Mr. P. Yeah, Mr. P, get it, that official Mr. P. Yeah.
What is up, everyone, and welcome to another The Official Mr. P YouTube video coming at you right here on The Official Mr. P YouTube channel. We have a product review for today's Jeep Beat of the carpet and upholstery cleaner from West Coast Customs that you can purchase at Walmart for retail. Now, it does have some really cool directions that's on the back, and I'll probably insert a photo right here of those directions. Cool thing about this is it also has a QR code that you can scan. It'll take you to a video and you can see exactly how the guys at West Coast Customs are using this product. Now, I have actually already cleaned the entire trunk carpet here in my Jeep, and let me tell you, it has done a phenomenal job at getting up a bunch of the stains. And I'm going to insert a couple of photos right here of me cleaning the process of the before and the after. So take a look at those. So I'm going to tell you exactly what you need to use this product, and the first thing that you're going to need is a vacuum of some sort. I have a Stanley shop vac, which I will put a link in the description to so that you can see where to get that at. Then of course you're going to need the West Coast Customs carpet and upholstery spray, which I am also going to link in the description. You need a carpet and upholstery brush, which you can get at Walmart, and I'll put the link in the description. You're also going to need a clean microfiber cloth, which I will put the link in the description to that as well. And you are all set for the cleaning of your carpet. Now, what you're about to see is, let's turn the shot back over. What you're about to see is the cleaning of this floor mat, which has carpet on it. I thought it would be easier just to show you a small area, quick area. Now, this is being cleaned, but what you're about to see, the video that you're about to see, is me actually using the product and doing this the way that I did the entire trunk and the way that I'm going to do the rest of the vehicle. So I hope that you enjoy this episode of the Jeep Beep. It's a product review. It's getting that time of the year when everybody's out cleaning their vehicles, and you probably wonder, what should I buy for, you know, to clean my vehicle with. So I'm going to do a couple of these product reviews here on the Jeep Beep, and so enjoy. Alright guys, so I've got my floor mat here. One of them, just to show you an example of how to do this. You can see it's kind of dirty, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take the shop vac and vacuum all that dirt off of it. I'm going to shake it well. I already shook it off camera, but for the sake of YouTube, let's go ahead and shake it again. I'm going to use the spray nozzle, and then it says spray liberally. I'm just going to spray it just like that. Now, this is the part where you will either wipe it clean or you'll scrub. For deep stains, you want to scrub, just like so. And then you're simply just going to take your microfiber cloth and wipe it clean. I like to go this way, and then I come down, just like this. Now you can leave it like that, or you can go ahead and vacuum it again. For me, I usually just leave it like this, but for the sake of the video and the can, we'll go ahead and I'm just going to take my towel and I'm going to pull it back once again. There you go. Hey, before we go, I hope that you enjoyed today's video, but I do want you to know that there is absolutely some awesome new merchandise that is in the official Mr. P store on the officialmrp.com, and the link is in the description below. Be sure to go over there and cop some of that merch, and it's the Jeep Beat merch. So who doesn't want that? If you drive a Jeep, you're going to like this. I promise you. It is pretty awesome. So go over there and to the officialmrp.com, click on online store, scroll down and find you one of these Jeep Beat shirts and purchase it. Cop that. Get it right now. And help me create more YouTube videos just like this one. That's what that money goes to from that. So be sure to do that. Folks, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to star this. 5 stars being the best, 1 star being the worst. I'm going to go ahead and give this product, the carpet and upholstery cleaner from West Coast Customs at Walmart, I'm going to give it a 4. 4 stars out of 5 just because of the price point and the job that it did. So this is pretty good, and I guarantee you if you get a new stain and you put this on there real quick, it's going to take it out. You've seen what it did with some of those. So be sure to go to Walmart and get some of these. All the links to this stuff will be in the description down below. And 4 out of 5 stars. Pretty good product. Would highly recommend it. Alright, I hope that you enjoyed today's video once again. And before we go, be sure to click that like button, hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and be sure to tell all your friends about the official Mr. P YouTube channel. And there is going to be more videos to come, more of these videos, product review, and you won't want to miss them. Alright, we've got a product review for today's Jeep Beat. Or something. So anyways, thanks for watching. another episode of the official Mr. P YouTube channel, The Jeep Beat.
Subscribe to the official Mr. P. Like this video and turn on the notification bell. This has been an official Mr. P production, y'all. The official Mr. P was performed in front of a recording camera.